Hey friends, I've got something really cool to share with you. This is my new website. So go to waynewallace.com and check it out. Now, this doesn't look that exciting, right? But let me show you what's exciting about it. So see right here where it says live exclamation point? Well, I'm going to go into the program that I used to create this website. I'm going to backspace over the live, and then I'm going to flip back over to Firefox, and see that's still live right there, but I'm going to refresh the screen and it's gone. How about that? So the cool thing is with this program called Notion, they've got a desktop app, a mobile app, and a web app, and you can edit your website just live, like just right away. You don't have to upload anything. It's already uploaded. Now the cool part is you can do anything with Notion. You can create databases, you can create articles, you can create bookmark lists, you can store any kind of information that you want in here, and you can choose to publish the page that's normally private. You can publish it live. So in effect, you can create a website with Notion, and it can be a live website. You can be writing just as you have a stream of consciousness or a stream of thoughts. You can just write, and it's instantly on your website that easily. So go to my website, waynewallace.com, and I'll show it to you right here. And when you go to waynewallace.com, up in the corner, you're going to see this little button that says Try Notion. So go to waynewallace.com and try it out. You'll like it. I guarantee it.